faster than you are, Hayden.
Where's it going? You gotta get it.
Good catch. Good catch, buddy.
Oh.
Roll it. No, you can't throw it off the porch. No, you don't want to throw it in the grass. It'll get dirty. It's wet.
No, I'm not gonna get the pencil again. Maybe.
You ready? Get it. Catch it. Wait. Daddy, pay attention. Sorry. Yay, Dad.
How'd you do it?
Where are you going? You can't even see where you're going with that big old ball. Give it to Daddy.
Daddy, right here.
You ready? Get it.
Catch, come on. Catch. Catch. Oh, catch.
Yay, Hayden. Mimi got it. Are you ready? Here it comes. Get it. Oh, get it. Good job. Throw it to Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, buddy. Are you ready? Get over there. I'm going to throw it to you. Boom. I catched it.
Catch it.
Pretty good left-handed, huh? You ready? Don't let him back off the porch. You ready? Here.
My nose.
My nose. Ouchie. I catched it.
You're so smart, little man. Oh, my nose.
Let's take it easy, dude. Mimi. Come on. Oh. Okay, you ready? Throw it to Daddy. Good job.
Here you go, Hayden. Hayden.
Good job. Daddy, don't you fall off the porch.
Not that far. Still laugh.
Got it. You ready? Here it comes. Oh. Oh. Get it. Oh, get it. There it goes. Oh, great. Now we're going to kick. Ah! You got it? Okay. Good job. You ready? Get it. You got it? You get it. Throw it to Daddy. Oh, way over there. That's a... Get it. A kitty cat. Yeah, the kitty cat. Oh. Get over there. Go over there. No, over here. Over by Daddy. Go throw it to Daddy. Oh, wow. Good job.
I throw it to Hayden. Stay right there.
Oh, he's going to sleep good.
I
You're gonna sleep good, buddy.
Hey, see here, Daddy. Hey, I love you.
Boom. You ready? Woo! Go get your daddy.
Kick it.
Woo!
Gotcha. Gotcha. You got that from Bug, didn't you?
Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy.
Uh-oh. Good catch, maybe.
Get it. Throw it to Daddy. Don't kick it off the porch. It's wet down there. Gotcha.